Assalamualaikum class. Today our topic is pronoun. What is our topic? Pronoun. And what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun. वो लफ्ज़ जो हम noun की जगह इस्तेमाल करते हैं, like I, we, you, he, she, it, they. E for the boy, she for the girl, it for animal or non-living things, and they for plural he, she, it, or plural girls, boys or animals. I is used for myself. अगर मेरे साथ कोई होता है तो वो हम we बन जाते हैं, यानी हम हो जाते हैं. And when we are talking to someone, it is you for us. हमारे लिए वो तुम होता है. Okay. We are learning about two kinds of pronouns, subjective pronoun and possessive pronoun. ये तो थे subjective pronoun जो आप 1 से पढ़ते हुए आ रहे हैं. Now we have possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun वो pronoun होते हैं जो किसी चीज़ पे हमारी possession show करते हैं. Like I का हो जाता है my. I means मैं, लेकिन मेरी कोई चीज़ है तो मैं क्या बोलूँगी my. Like my book, my bag. We are. Our means हमारा, हमारा घर, our home, our school, your, तुम्हारा. जब हम you की किसी चीज़ पे पोजीशन शो करते हैं तो वो your होता है. he, his book, his bag. अगर किसी बॉय की कोई चीज़ है तो हम यही कहेंगे his bag, his book. गर्ल की है तो her book, her bag, her doll. एनिमल या की है तो या नॉन लिविंग थिंग ये its legs, its color, its food. There are more than one there कहलाते हैं. Their friend, their toys and like that. Now we have to do this exercise to complete the blanks with possessive pronoun. अभी आपने pronouns किए, उनके possessive pronoun से हमें इनको complete करना है. Number 1 sentence, Anam is reading dash book. तो Anam is a girl. For girl we use her for possession. I am playing with dash friend. For I we use my. Okay, we are going to the park with our family. Saad and Umar are eating dash lunch. Saad and Umar are two boys. We use they for two or more than one means. So they. Saad and Umar goes to they. And what is the possessive pronoun of they? Their. Cat is feeding dash kitten. Cat is feeding. Cat is non-living thing. We use it. And what is the possessive pronoun of it? Its kitten. Now I'm telling you something about when should we use possessive pronoun. It's okay. Like when I say Sarah is reading, so I will use she instead of Sarah and is reading. But when I say Sarah's book is on the table, what should we use? What can we use instead of Sarah's book? Sarah's book, यानी apostrophe s. We have used apostrophe s. That is showing possession with the book, possession of Sarah with the book. Apostrophe s means का की के, सारा की किताब, Sarah's book. तो इस जब भी possession शो होगी तो हम possessive pronoun यूज़ करेंगे. मीन्स यहाँ पर सारा की जगह हम यूज़ करेंगे her book. Got my point? And we'll continue the same sentence. You don't have to do this work. It's not work, it's explanation. Then if we write like that, Ahmad is in the park, we can use he instead of Ahmad. But if we write like that, Ahmad's मदर, ठीक है जनाब। तो व्हाट इज़ द प्रोनाउन फॉर अहमद? Because it has apostrophe s means it is showing possession with the mother, so we use his instead of Ahmad. We don't use he. I think you can understand easily what I want to say. Then if we say duck is yellow, we use it instead of duck. We can use it instead of duck. But if we say duck's feet, duck's claws, अगर हम ऐसे कहें तो what is, because it has apostrophe s means showing possession, so we will use its instead of ducks. Okay, and like that Sarah and Aisha are friends. What should we use instead of Sarah and Aisha? They. What should we use? But when I will say like that, Sarah and Aisha's toys means Sarah और आयशा के toys